Hey people, so I just returned after watching this movie Love Aajkal. It's a Saturday afternoon, and I think this is the first time ever I went for a first day first show, of this movie. And okay, so like all Imtiaz Ali films, this movie also had a certain message that can really like make you think. Uh, and Sara Ali Khan was like the star of the film. I mean, like when she's on screen, you just forget looking at anyone else. She has that riveting quality to her, personality that she's a star. Yeah, she's star material. And of course, Kartik Aryan, uh, you feel like he's endearing at the same time. I don't know, he comes across, I mean, his character was such, I guess, that a bit of a buddhu, Like, I don't know, I'm saying all this because, like, on the whole, this movie is, to be really honest, it's a heavy film. I mean, in terms of, like, uh, you can't help but not be bored. Like, it gets a little boring at during certain parts of the film. But like always, Imtiaz Ali's films are very layered. So yeah, and Randeep Huda and Simeon Singh, these two people deserve a special mention, especially Randeep Huda. And the new girl who's been introduced in this movie, she's got a certain innocence that is simplicity that is very rare in the present crop of actresses. I mean, in terms of all the characters are very like very believable, so they have been fleshed out well. So yeah, so now before this review turns very boring, I have to say that that's what I rarely ever I mean that's what, on a Saturday afternoon soon after watching the movie, I felt I have to do this review. So go and watch it, people. It's certainly, everyone should watch it once. It's an interesting film. Yeah. So, on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.